Hello guys, I'm Behnam from Behnam Tech YouTube channel, and on this video we are going to learn what is join method in Python string. Join method is really useful and important method in Python, so everybody should know it in Python. Let's talk about it. Join method takes all item in an iterable. For example, a tuple, a dictionary, a list, and join them into the one string. Here on this parentheses, we add an iterable, and in here on the strings, we add a separator. And we will talk about the separator later. Now here, we have a variable that contains a tuple, that the tuples contains these strings. Behnam Tech is a YouTube channel. Uh, and when we run this, we add the X and the parentheses, and when we run this, we get Behnam Tech is a YouTube channel. Now we have a strings. So if we now say what is the type of the X is strings. Now in the separator here we have commas. So separator will be replaced between the commas. So if we add an space here, we run this again. Now we get Behnam Tech is a YouTube channel. So separator basically will be replaced instead of the commas. Now if you say the join method can change all the iterables. So if we change it to the list and we run this again, we get the same results. Now if we had a dictionary, let's change the examples. Make it dictionaries. A key, name, a value, Alex, for examples, commands, a key, age, a value, a random number, excuse me, random number. And now when we run this, we get name and age. So basically we get keys. But what about the value? If we want value, what should we do? We just add a dot here and use a value method in a dictionary. So if we run here, we get Alex and 45. I hope you enjoy this video and learn something new. Please subscribe my channel and feel free to like the video. Until the next video, bye.